Early this morning, an intense northeast monsoon reached the coast of southern China, and local winds turned northerly and strengthened. At the same time, the weather becomes cooler. If we look at these charts, this compares the temperatures this afternoon with the temperatures yesterday afternoon. We can see that with the cooler weather setting in, the temperatures generally over in this afternoon are about 3 degrees lower than the temperatures yesterday afternoon. In the coming few days, the intense northeast monsoon will continue to affect the coast of southern China. So our weather will be windy and cool, especially in the morning. Perhaps we also would like to look at the latest situation of tropical cyclone Ryan. Here is the satellite picture. Tropical cyclone Ryan crossed the Philippines and entered into the southern parts of the South China Sea today. If we look at the forecast track, we can see that in short term, Ryan will move west across the southern parts of the South China Sea, but on Sunday, it will turn to a northerly track and head edges towards Highland Island. At the same time, when it turns to a northerly track, it entered a region of relatively lower sea temperature area. With lower sea temperature, that means the energy supporting the development of Rhine would be lower, and that means when it turns to a northerly track, it will gradually weaken. However, the subsequent track and also subsequent movements and the intensity of tropical cyclone Rhine will remain uncertain. Why I say so, we can look at the computer forecast weather charts here. Here, this shows 4 weather charts from 4 different computer models. And it is forecasting the position and also the intensity of Rhine on next Tuesday at 8 a.m. in the morning. We can see that for the European and also American models, the intensity of Rhine can still be the tropical cyclone Rhine can still be analyzed with circles of isobursts here. But if we look at the Japanese model and also the UK computer model, we can see that the tropical cyclone Rhine has already weakened significantly, and there are no isobursts analyzed for the position of Rhine here. So this shows that different computer models are forecasting different positions and intensity of Rhine, and that's why I say that after Rhine turned to a northerly track, the subsequent movements and also intensity remain uncertain. But there is a point which is quite certain. It is the rain brought by Rhine. We can see that these green areas are rain associated with tropical cyclone Rhine. So on Monday and Tuesday, the outer rain bands of Rhine will affect the coast of southern China, bringing us some cloudy and rainy weather. Because in Hong Kong in December, the winter season, usually the weather will be a little bit relatively dry with not much rain. But the situation this time is different. The outer rain band associated with Rhine will affect us on Monday and Tuesday, and our weather will become cloudy with rain. So when you go outside, probably you can bring umbrellas because of the rainy weather. So now let's take a look at the forecast for tomorrow. It will be mainly cloudy and cool in the morning. The minimum temperature in the urban areas tomorrow morning will be about 16 degrees and a few degrees lower in the New Territories. In During the day, there will be sunny periods, and the maximum temperature will be about 21 degrees. Winds will be moderate to fresh northerly winds with occasional strong winds offshore and on high grounds. As for the outlook, because the northeast monsoon will continue to affect us in the coming days, so our weather will be windy with cool mornings. On Monday and Tuesday, with the outer rain bands of Rhine affecting the coast of southern China, we will have cloudy weather with rain. Looking ahead over the Christmas holidays, because there will be another replenishment of the northeast monsoon, so our weather will become cooler again during the Christmas holiday.